ISF filing, Aviation and Aerospace. Welcome to our video on ISF, Importer Security Filing, filing for countervailing duties. In this video, we will explore the specific considerations and requirements involved in ISF filing for goods subject to countervailing duties. Understanding countervailing duties. Countervailing duties are trade remedies imposed by importing countries to counter the effects of subsidies provided to foreign manufacturers or exporters. Researching and identifying countervailing duties. Importers must research and identify if the goods they are importing are subject to countervailing duties. This information can be obtained from official governmental sources, such as the U.S. International Trade Commission, ITC, or other relevant trade authorities. Accurate product description and classification. Accurate product description and classification play a significant role in countervailing duties. Importers must provide detailed and precise information about the goods being imported, including their characteristics, components, and functionality. Collaboration with customs brokers and trade experts. Collaborating with customs brokers and trade experts who specialize in countervailing duties is highly recommended. These professionals possess in-depth knowledge of the regulations and procedures associated with countervailing duties. Tariff classification and valuation. Countervailing duties are often based on specific tariff classifications and the valuation of goods. Importers must accurately determine the correct Harmonized Tariff Schedule (HTS) codes for their imported goods. Subsidy investigations and reporting. In some cases, countervailing duties may be imposed as a result of subsidy investigations carried out by trade authorities. Importers should stay informed about these investigations and any subsequent reporting requirements. Documentation requirements. Documentation requirements for countervailing duties include providing supporting documentation that demonstrates the presence or absence of subsidies associated with the imported goods. Compliance with countervailing duty rates. Importers must comply with the specific countervailing duty rates set by customs authorities. These rates are typically calculated based on the value of the subsidy provided to foreign manufacturers or exporters. Collaboration with foreign suppliers. Importers should collaborate closely with their foreign suppliers to ensure they provide accurate information related to countervailing duties. This includes sharing relevant documentation and communicating any changes in subsidy programs that may impact the calculation of duties. Continuous monitoring of regulatory changes. Importers must stay informed about any regulatory changes or updates related to countervailing duties. Changes in subsidy programs, regulations, or duty rates can affect the calculation and application of countervailing duties. Compliance with Importer Security Filing (ISF) timelines. Importers must comply with ISF filing timelines for goods subject to countervailing duties. The ISF must be submitted to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) within the prescribed timeframe to avoid penalties and delays in customs clearance. Record keeping and compliance documentation. Record keeping is essential for countervailing duties compliance. Importers should maintain accurate records of countervailing duty determinations, supporting documentation, and other relevant information. In conclusion, countervailing duties are a significant consideration for importers, and accurate ISF filing is essential for compliance. Importers must research and identify any applicable countervailing duties, collaborate with customs brokers and trade experts, and accurately describe and classify the imported goods.